Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my omelet. And here are the ingredients. 5 eggs, cooked steak, crispy onions, lettuce, cheese, and butter. Let's get started guys. In a bowl, let's add our eggs. And then we will whisk it together with a fork. Once the eggs are fully mixed, we will add our seasoning, which is half teaspoon of pepper and half teaspoon of salt. Once we add our seasoning, we will mix it together until all the seasoning is mixed well. In a heated pan to medium, we will add in a slice of butter. After the butter is melted, we will add in our eggs. Once the eggs are 50% cooked, we will add in our fillings, which is the vegetables, our cheese, crispy fried onions. You can use any onions, but these are the ones that I have left over. And our cooked steak or meat. And then I will cover the pan and let the eggs continue to cook. And that will usually take about 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes are over, we could uncover and we will see that the eggs is not running anymore, and then we'll just flip it over. I like it a little bit overdone, but you can make it in a less time. Our omelet is done guys, now let's plate them. Let's cut it up and see what it looks like in the inside. And the omelet looked pretty good in the inside. I like the cheesy fillings and the hearty steaks and the nice and crunchy vegetables. It complements the eggs really well. This is an easy but delicious dish, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.